Good morning, class 12 Commerce Accountancy. The chapter is ratio analysis and profitability ratios are in progress. We have already done gross profit ratio in my previous video. Today we are attempting operating ratio. What is the formula for operating ratio? Cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense minus operating income divided by net revenue from operation into 100. This ratio tells us that the goods, what is the operating cost of the business, हमारी जो बिजनेस की ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट है वो क्या है. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. वी हैव डन टू फॉर्मूलाज फॉर दैट. Opening inventory plus purchase plus direct expense minus closing inventory or sales minus GP. Cost of revenue tells what is the cost of goods which is sold by us, and in that if we add operating expense then it becomes operating cost. And net revenue, you know very well, this net revenue means cash revenue plus credit revenue. Here one new word has come, operating expense. In this chapter and one more chapter which is going to come, cash flow statement, there the expenses and income we are going to divide into two categories. Number one, operating expense, and number two, non-operating expense. Operating income and non-operating income. What is the meaning of operating expense? Operating expenses means the expenses which are required to run the business, जो business चलाने के लिए जरूरी होते हैं. Those are known as operating expense, like office and administrative expense, selling and distribution expense, depreciation, amortization expense, the expenses which are written off, interest on short-term loan, discount allowed, bad debts, all these are operating. If these expenses don't occur in the business, we cannot run our business. That's why they are known as operating in nature. There are some non-operating expenses also, like loss by fire, loss by accident, loss on sale of fixed assets, interest on long-term loan. All these are non-operating. Why these are non-operating? Because if though these expenses, just I told you, if they don't occur in the business, our business is not going to stop. Our business will run continuously. So here we are going to take only operating expense, and then another word come, operating income. Again, the income which is received due to business activities, like discount received, like commission received. If here rent received comes, if here interest received come, so rent received and interest received are not business activities, because rent we are getting from the property which we have given for rent. Is it the income arise from sale of goods and services? No, that's why. So these are operating income. Let us do one sum. Sum number 92. Revenue from operation is given 6,80,000. Gross profit is given 25% cost. Selling expense, administrative expense. Calculate operating ratio. Calculate operating ratio. So for operating ratio, what is the first requirement? Cost of revenue. So cost of revenue is equal to revenue from operation minus GP. We did earlier also. How much revenue from operation is given to you? 6,80,000. What is GP ratio? 25% on cost. Can I take 25% of 680? I think no. Why? Because it is given on cost, and cost is not given to us. So let us assume cost is X. So 25% on X, it means 25 into X upon 100, X by 4. Bring this X by 4 this side. So 3X by 4, and then cross multiplication. 72,20,000, then X is equal to, no sorry, some mistake is there. X minus X by 4, 4 1 जा 3X by 4, चर नंबर 32 चर 24 कहाँ गई है? Where is the mistake I am occurring? मैं mistake कहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ? 25% on cost. Cost is given X. तो 25% on x, 25 4 जा, sorry, x minus x by 4, no, it will be plus here, so it will be plus 5x upon 4, so x is equal to divided by 5, 5 5 जा 25, 5 4 जा 5 4 जा, 5,44,000 is our cost of revenue. Let us write 5,44,000 plus we need operating expense, selling expense and administrative expense are operating expense. Add both these expenditure, so it becomes clear 2,70,000 divide by operating income is not given over here, forget it. Divide by 6,80,000 and into 100. Do this working, do this calculation. It will come, my dear friends, your operating ratio will come 111.91. 111.91%. In some mistake is there. Let us see what mistake is there later on. So I think this formula is understood. So simple sum. Let us take one more sum. Net revenue 8 lakh. What is the meaning of net revenue? Including cash plus credit revenue. Cash revenue is given 2 lakh. This is just given. I think we don't require cash revenue over here. GP 20%. So as per formula, we first of all cost of revenue. So cost of revenue is equal to 8 lakh minus GP 20%. It is not written 20% on what? So it is always assumed, I told earlier also, on sale. And what is our sale? 8 lakh. So my dear, it comes 160. Then 6,40,000 is our cost of revenue. Now operating ratio is equal to 6,40,000 plus operating expense. Here it is given office and selling expense and depreciation. It becomes 80,000. Here one more expense is also given, loss by fire. So loss by fire we are not going to consider over here because I told a minute back loss by fire is non-operating expense, and in the sum operating income is not given. Divide by cost of revenue divided by net revenue 8 lakh into 100 and find the percentage. When you will do it, its percentage will be 90%. Its percentage will be 90%. This is how to calculate operating ratio. Let us do one more sum here. Operating ratio. One more sum we are going to do now. Sum number 94. Little bit longer sum is given. I cannot write the figure on the board. Directly we will do it. Calculate operating ratio. Here we have given revenue from operation, other income, total revenue, expenses, in expenses, purchase of stocks, change in inventory and all and all. After that we have given this other expenses. In other expenses we have given 3 expenses: Adam, selling and loss on sale of machine. So as per formula, what is our first requirement? Cost of revenue. So cost of revenue is equal to opening inventory plus purchase plus direct expense minus closing inventory. Here the datas are given related to this formula. First of all, we have given purchase here. In expenses, purchase is given purchase of stock 9,60,000. 9,60,000. Then opening and closing inventory. Here it is given change in inventory. हमारे पास यहाँ पर दे रखा है change in inventory दे रखा है और वो minus figure दे रखा है. Change in inventory is minus figure, that is minus 25,000. Minus 25,000. Bracket item is given. In this book, in this chapter, when datas are given in bracket, it is to be considered they are negative item, minus item. We don't have given over here operating expense. So if you will deduct, so your cost of revenue will come 9,35,000 rupees. One item has come for our formula cost of revenue. Now we need operating expense. Operating expense is equal to, here if you see, in operating expense we have given employees benefit expense 1,80,000. Employees benefit expense. Finance cost we will not consider over here, because finance cost it is normally related with interest on long term loan and all, and details are not given, that's why we are not considering. Then employee benefit expense taken, depreciation and amortization expense. Depreciation and amortization expense are 40,000, and then we have given other expense. So the detail of other expenses is given below this profit and loss. Adam and selling. Adam expense 70,000 and selling expense 31,000. And we have given loss on sale of machine also. That loss on sale of machine we are not going to consider. वो हम consider नहीं करेंगे. So in this way our operating expenses come 3,21,000. So operating expenses with us, cost of revenue is with us, divide by net revenue. What will be the net revenue? It is given in the sum very first line. Net revenue is 16 lakh. So divide by 16 lakh and find the answer. So this was the formula which is related with our operating ratio. Now related to it, we are going to calculate one more ratio, dear friends. And what is that formula? It is operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio. Third formula. Operating profit ratio. It can be calculated in two ways. First formula is very easy. What is that? This is 100 minus operating ratio. 100 minus operating ratio. This is the first formula. Or if we are unable to calculate operating ratio, then we can go operating profit divided by net revenue from operation into 100. And how to calculate operating profit here? Operating profit is equal to, if we are calculating with the help of GP, gross profit, so gross profit minus operating expenses minus plus operating income. अगर हम ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट में से ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंस और if we deduct operating expense and add operating income, then the result will be operating profit. Or if we have given net profit and we want to calculate our operating ratio with the help of net profit, then add non-operating expenses minus non-operating income. Let us try to understand. Operating, which is due to business activities. Here you want to calculate operating profit ratio. So first we need operating profit. Operating profit can be calculated easily if we have given gross profit. From gross profit, let us deduct operating expense. We will not touch non-operating expense. Operating कौन से हैं? मैंने अभी लिस्ट बताई थी, selling and distribution, discount, bad debts, depreciation, etc. वो माइनस कर देंगे. नॉन ऑपरेटिंग कौन से? लॉस बाय फायर, लॉस बाय एक्सीडेंट, उनको यहाँ टच भी नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हमने ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट निकालना है, तो केवल ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस डिडक्ट करेंगे, प्लस ऑपरेटिंग इनकम लाइक डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड, कमीशन रिसीव्ड. और sometime in some we do not have given GP, we have given NP. So in order to calculate net profit, we deduct each and every expense. नेट प्रॉफिट निकालने के लिए हम हर एक्सपेंस को लेस करते हैं, whether it is operating or non operating. तो what do? We add these non operating expenses again, क्योंकि हमने इनको पहले से क्या कर रखा है? डिडक्ट कर रखा है. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था, all expenses are to be deducted from gross profit to find net profit, whether they are operating and non operating. But now I want to find out operating profit. So from net profit, then non operating expenses I will add again, क्योंकि ये मैंने डिडक्ट कर रखे हैं. And then non operating मेरी इनकम ऐड है, वो उसको मैं लेस कर दूंगा. That will be my operating profit. And once we are able to calculate operating profit, now sums become easy. And if you calculate operating ratio, calculate it and then deduct it from 100, that will be your answer. So these are two ratios we have done today: operating profit ratio and operating ratio. Thank you very much.